Namaste, what's up? If I say JBL, what comes to your mind? Most probably a loudspeaker, right? Well, JBL is a widely known brand that manufactures audio equipments, including loudspeakers and headphones. Today, I have here with me the JBL Clip 4, latest in the Clip series. I have never had a JBL speaker. Since I have one now, I wanted to share my experience with this ultra portable Bluetooth speaker. Ultra portable, you heard it right. Honestly, this speaker is compact and you can easily carry it with you. I think JBL wanted to target specific people who wanted to listen to music in outdoor environments. This Bluetooth speaker has an integrated carabiner, which is really an innovative design. You can just clip it onto your belt, bag or any strap. Look and feel. The JBL Clip 4 has a bold design, meaning it is strategically designed or designed for a reason. From fabric-like design, tactical buttons, integrated carabiner to a compact body, the speaker feels really premium and rugged. A product that is built to last. Sound quality. JBL speakers are well known for producing high quality sound. And from my experience using the Clip 4, it delivers crisp and clear audio. The mid and high sound is great. I'm loving this solid punchy bass and you can feel its vibration. This gives you the premium feel and the capability of this speaker shine. Also, the speaker do get loud enough that I should never listen at 100% volume. I probably keep it under 85% volume. JBL has advertised the Clip 4 to give around 10 hours of playback time on a single charge. That's a lot of battery power from this small speaker. The battery charge time is 3 hours, which means it takes around 3 hours to fully charge the battery from a fully discharged state. So the battery is not a problem here. Ease of use. The usage is straightforward. You just pair it with your phone via Bluetooth and play your music. The JBL Clip 4 is minimalistic in design and it is there just to serve one purpose: be an ultra portable Bluetooth speaker. Nothing more, nothing less. If you are looking for just a portable Bluetooth speaker, then this will definitely exceed your expectation. But if you are someone who expects other additional features along with its wireless capabilities, then you will be disappointed. For instance, you cannot connect with this speaker through any wire or audio jack. Wireless is the only option. Though it might not be an issue in today's day and age, but it might be something to consider. And finally, the price. Honestly, I do not have the actual information regarding the price point in the market, but I searched for this product in Daraz and Evo store is selling it for rupees 8,000 here in Nepal. This might sound a bit costly for a small Bluetooth speaker, but the sound quality you get from this speaker will not disappoint you for sure. It comes with the IP64 rating, which is both waterproof and dustproof. If you accidentally drop this bad boy into the water, it can handle up to 1 meter deep for half an hour. As I already mentioned, it has an integrated carabiner by design, which is quite useful by the way. You can clip it around your backpack and listen to music when you are outdoors, especially hiking and trekking. The power on and off sound. It has this specific sound when you either turn on or turn off the speaker. It ensures you whether the speaker is turned on or off without even looking at the light indicator. And finally, you can play pause, go to the next song in your playlist and change volume straight from your speaker. So that is all I have for you guys for now. I hope you liked the video and please do give your feedback by tapping on the thumbs up button. See you soon.